Hello friends. Welcome back to Speak Bright English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Paul, and today, we have an exciting lesson about talking in English during sports. How are you, Emily?
Hi, Paul. I'm feeling great, thank you. How are you today?
I'm fantastic, Emily. I'm super excited to talk about sports English today.
Me too. So, Paul, what is your favorite sport?
Oh, I love hockey. It's fast, exciting, and teamwork is everything. How about you, Emily?
I really enjoy hockey too, but I also like tennis sometimes. Today, let's focus on hockey because it's full of action and we can learn lots of useful English phrases.
All right, Emily. Imagine we are at practice, and we want to ask the coach about today's drill. How should we start? Polite greetings are always good. We can say, "Good morning, coach. How are you today?"
Exactly. And then we can ask clearly, could you please explain today's strategy for the defense? And if we don't understand, we can say politely, I'm sorry, coach. Could you show me one more time?
That's perfect, Emily. Coaches always appreciate respect and clarity. And don't forget to thank them after instructions. Thank you, coach. I'll practice that carefully.
Now, imagine we are on the field. Communication is fast and simple. What can we say to each other during a match? Short phrases like, pass the ball, or watch your left.
Yes, and also alerting teammates, he's coming fast, or, mark the striker. And encouragement is important too. Great job, or, keep it up.
Exactly, and when we need help, we can say politely, can you cover me, please, or pass it to me. It's all about teamwork and respect while speaking English clearly. After the game, locker room conversations are more relaxed. We can talk naturally but still polite. For example, hey Paul, you played really well today.
Thanks, Emily. You were amazing too. Let's plan for tomorrow. We should focus on penalty corners during practice. And motivate teammates. We can do this. Let's keep pushing.
Locker room English is perfect for bonding and practicing natural English.
During matches, we also need respectful English, especially with referees and opponents. Yes. For example, if we don't understand a referee's call, excuse me, ref, could you explain that?
And always be polite with opponents, good game, or well played. And if we need to clarify calmly, I see, but I thought it was.
Exactly. Confidence, calmness, and respect make your English sound professional in sports. Let's practice some key vocabulary. Emily, can you name the positions in hockey? Sure. Goalkeeper, defender, midfielder, striker, wing, center. Great. And actions we often use. Pass, shoot, block, mark, dribble, tackle, save, penalty.
Perfect. And phrases for strategy? Offense, defense, counterattack, press, formation, zone. Now let's practice combining them. I'll cover the left wing, / watch the striker, he's fast, / let's switch to defensive formation.
Let's imagine a match and practice commentary English. I'll start. The game begins. Emily passes the ball to Paul. Paul dribbles past the defender, shoots. Oh, saved by the goalkeeper. Minute 10. Timeout. Let's ask coach for advice. Coach, should we change our strategy?
Coach replies, yes, focus on the wings and quick passes. Back in the game, teamwork is key. Pass, pass. Goal. Great. This practice improves vocabulary, fluency, and confidence for real matches.
Hockey is a fast and exciting team sport, where two teams try to score goals by hitting the ball with their sticks into the opponent's net, and the game begins with a push back from the center as players spread out into their positions like defenders, midfielders, strikers, and the goalkeeper who protects the goal, and during the match players pass the ball to teammates, dribble forward, block opponents, and use quick teamwork to move the ball up the field while staying inside the rules, keeping their sticks low, and avoiding fouls. And whenever a team wins possession they try to attack by making smart passes and strong shots, but when they lose the ball they quickly fall back into defense to mark players, and stop the attack. And if the ball goes out of bounds or a foul happens the referee stops play, and restarts with a free hit, penalty corner, or bully. And throughout the game players must communicate by calling for passes, warning each other, and encouraging their teammates, while the goalkeeper uses pads and gloves to save powerful shots. And the match is played in two halves with a short break in between where teams discuss strategy. And at the end of the game, the team with the most goals wins, after which players shake hands, say, "Good game," and respect each other, showing that hockey is not only about skill and speed but also about teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship.
Friends, remember, English is best learned when you practice, speak clearly, and stay respectful. Exactly. Start talking with your coach, teammates, and even opponents in English. It's fun and useful. Thanks for watching Speak Bright English. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning. Speak bright, play bright.